everybody. This is B. Charani. I'm studying in 10th class from Akshara Concept High School, Chechanda. Today we are going to discuss about the Gallantry Awards. The Gallantry Awards recognize the exponential courage and sacrifice by the military and civilian personnel. In the Gallantry Awards, because of the honors and individuals often have of their bravery and inspires the patriotism and especially known for the acknowledge and the sacrifice would for the protect to the nation. The importance of gallantry awards honors bravery and sacrifice. The honors of a bravery and sacrifice recognize the individuals who have demonstrated the sacrifice extraordinarily in the battlefield or any other. And the second one is inspire the future generations. Getting a gallantry award is not easy, but can also inspire the generation by the story of their sacrifices. They boost morals. Receiving a gallantry award can boost the future generations by the story of their sacrifice, and this they can preserve the national history. Each gallantry awards has the specific reason for giving an award to the person or any specific man for their sacrifice in the such a field they are doing a sacrifice for our nation, and this is acknowledge the sacrifice for families who have respect, especially who have died in doing the sacrifice for our country as the special as special reason for them. And they are the gallantry awards divided into two types. The one is the wartime gallantry awards. These are the awards given in the these are the awards given in the act of bravery demonstrated in the conflict. The first one is Paramveer Chakra. It is an India's highest military demonstration recognizing in the most remarkable bravery in self-sacrifice. And second one is the Mahavir Chakra. It is the second highest military order awarded in the act of notable gallantry. And the third award is Veer Chakra, the ranked third, but it is not least. It award gives for the victory of gallantry performed of the preferred for the presence of an enemy. And the second peacetime gallantry award is also known as the award for the extraordinary courage and sacrifice in non-coordinate situations. First one is an Ashoka Chakra, the highest peacetime award. The peacetime gallantry award is given for the self-sacrifice away from the battlefield. And the Kirti Chakra, the second highest peacetime award given in the auspicious gallantry award. And third one is the Shaurya Chakra, the third highest and largest award given in India for the gallantry. These are the awards given to the civilians for their bravery and the sacrifice in the country. In the Rashtrapati Bhavan by the President of India in only in specific days. They are Independence Day and Republic Day. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.